The phosphorus cycle.
Alright, we got it.
Hi, I'm Lucas.
And I'm Sean on the left of your screen.
And I'm Chris, picking up the stick.
And today, we're going to explain to you what the phosphorus cycle is. The phosphorus cycle is the topic we were given for our Year 11 Environmental Science SAC. What is phosphorus, you ask? Well, phosphorus is one of the main three nutrients most commonly found in fertilizers.
And it also helps with plant growth.
Phosphorus is also a sediment found on rocks. This is where the phosphorus cycle comes into it. We will now explain and show you how the phosphorus cycle works through a stop-motion animation video we prepared for you. Here we have the beautiful scenery of where the water meets the mainland. Up in the air we meet our host Rocky the Rock. As Rocky hangs suspended in mid-air for now, and the rain approaches from the right of your screen, we will go over how phosphorus happens. The phosphorus cycle can happen through two ways, one through the ocean and one through the mainland. We will show you how it happens in the ocean first. As rain comes down over Rocky the Rock, you will begin to see the red phosphorus on Rocky wash off into the ocean. As the phosphorus gets washed into the water, it spreads around the water, going either to sea plants mostly, or to land through soil, as you can see in the video. We'll leave that for now, but as the rain moves across the ocean along to the mainland, you can see the phosphorus from the land rocks wash off into the soil, where the roots from plants absorb the phosphorus into their system. As you can see now, Belvedere is now entering our scene from the top of the screen. Belvedere goes to the plants and eats the plants, absorbing phosphorus through the roots and leaves that he eats. As the phosphorus makes its way through Belvedere's system, you can see it will eventually come out, yep, you guessed it, in his feces. We will leave the land part of the phosphorus there for now and move back to the ocean phosphorus. As the fish comes along and eats the plants which have absorbed the phosphorus, as you can see, the fish then absorbs the phosphorus into their own system, where like Belvedere, they'll either poo the phosphorus out, or like in the picture, the fish will die and still have phosphorus within their bones. When the fish die, their bones go to the bottom of the sea and over time turn into sedimentary rock.
For many, many years, the rocks formed on the bottom of the ocean will find their way back to the surface.
These rocks are covered in phosphorus and restart the cycle.
Although everything we discussed in this video was natural, there are human impacts on the phosphorus cycle. For example, farmers adding too much phosphorus to their soil to fertilize it can run off into the water, making the water too acidic for all of its life.
Thank you. From Lucas, Sean and Chris. This has been our slowmation. Thank you.
Eyes, your eyes, oh my God, we so high, yeah. She my new Tokyo, yeah.
Thank you.